What would that mean then?
So I'm just checking the video.
Turned around and said, well, he said, you won't even be able to do that with your ankle. So if you get arthritis in the ankle, it's just going to...
Yeah, I was just checking that was the one that I was uploading. Right, I've just gone back into Facebook to check on the time on that one. This was when I stopped to get the chores sorted out and then discovered the lawnmower. So I'm not going to play it, I'm just looking for the time on it, just to see what difference there's been in the energy spikes today. So wait for it to zoom in so I can see the numbers clear enough. Right, where are we? There's a 10, 1, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that was the time. Alright, where's 20? 20's there. When I stopped to go out in the garden. Let's just expand it a bit. There you go. That's 20 anyway, where I logged it last time. Right. So all of that is since then. Bearing in mind, using the level in an SLI state. Started with that. Before the strike. Right. Simple warning in life. I'll give 3 warnings before I strike. Have it with my kids. Everybody in life. Including the Crown. It's a bit Jimmy Cliffish, isn't it? The bigger they are. So I'm just going to go out and finish off. Get that little bit of mowing done in the back garden. It's like my hip joint's locking up now as well. And then I can start thinking about starting on the inside of the house. It's like the new neighbours getting to know each other. It gets me through that one. The one I had before it used to be stored underneath my immersion heater, which is, hang on, which is there. Alright. So Cross Keys, my landlords, decided to do their boiler checks and everything. Alright. So they've come out, started fucking about with the boiler and poured water in the electric engine, fucking it up for me rather than just moving it or asking me to move it. So I had to get that one. So they're getting me to waste my resources, keep me distracted. So rather than buy another one after they sabotage the one that's in the garden at the moment, I decided to just keep going, just mend it, keep carrying on. So that's what I've been doing. So I'm just going to move that little one there over there a little bit. Right, let's put it on that one there, because we're looking ahead of time now, aren't we? Yeah. You can see by this one here, that's a smaller version of it, they don't just stop, they taper off. That's a column, so we know that ain't going to taper off then. So I'm going to keep an eye on it. Right, it's on number 1, isn't it? Yeah. There's the date. Let's have a look at a few other things. Roxy, shut up. They're the decent neighbours. Let's have a quick look at the time on the recording now. 6:31. Got 13 minutes of record time to do this. So you got your snow radar there. If you want weather forecast that ain't BBC or media led or Murdoch controlled, this is the site you need to use. Roxy, I said shut up. Here's your normal satellite image, so you can see what's coming up at the UK. There's my location above London, which is that red dot there, and you can see what's inbound. You don't need a weather forecast to tell you which way it's heading, because you can see it yourself on the imagery. So you don't have to wade through the news bullshit. There's your timestamp with British summertime. So it's not in UTC, it's in British summertime. Right, how are we doing? 7-8 minutes. Right, rain radar. Because the sun and cloud satellite imagery shows you lightning strikes sometimes, but not the rain. Wow. Wow, that's some serious storm. Look at the colours in that. Look at that dark red in the middle of that storm. That's one heavily laden electric storm. And that's why I use both of these ones, because that don't show you the rain. That one does. Don't use them two really. Let's have a look at the snow radar just to show you. Snow, purpley colour, sleet, blue colour. It's obviously not going to be snow and sleet in the Bay of Biscay, is it? And I'm not actually seeing any sleety colours apart from down here. Here, bit of that colour there. There's the snow. So that shows you how that works. Right, let's have a look at this quickly. How are we doing time? 3 minutes. Right, I'm just going to have a quick spin down here, check some data feeds. I'm seeing a few deep earthquakes popping off, but they're in the usual places. Eastern Mediterranean Sea in the 5. Right, I'll have a look at that when I'm done later. BGS. No change since the 1st of May. But there is a 4 magnitude forecast by Dutch Sense for the UK. I didn't hear all of it because I'm trying to learn my own way of doing it, because I combine the energy pattern with the earthquake pattern. So that's why I'm trying not to be influenced. But he has taught me how to do this. So there's a 4 forecast for the UK. I know that because I heard him say it. I'm already watching France, Germany and Poland and the energy coming through that anyway, which he's aware of, which is why he gave me a hint. Yeah. Tyler, my son Jack, and a baby Roxy. That's after she left here as a puppy. Let's just refresh it, see what's going on here. Anything that's going to jump out at me. Oh, Matt Hancock explains NHS test, does he? Oh, right. Fuck off, idiot. I'm sick of it. I don't know if you lot are. It's all bullshit. This is more my sense of humour, which I don't think the Australians like a lot. Throw a bit of Tech 9 at them and they ban you. Quote the Bible, yeah. Quote the Bible, yeah. Have a bit of Tech 9, dead on the Bible.